Okay, everybody. So welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and I'm going to do a something a little different today. I'm going to actually build a marketplace using Framer to showcase our digital products on Gumroad. So this is our Gumroad store right now. You can see there's a shit ton of products. Lots of them are free, like lead magnets and different little sort of inducements to get folks to sign up for the community writ large. But what I want to do is actually turn all of this. There's a lot of products here, and Gumroad really doesn't convert super well sent when you just send traffic, directly to a page that has this much content on it, right? This many products is actually a bug, not a feature when it comes to converting, sort of strangers into subscribers and subscribers into sales. So what I want to do actually is create something a little bit more like this. This is another Framer-based community that I created for some of the various products that we sell across a number of different domains. And you can see this is the landing page. It's very clean. I really like the way it looks. But also, I wanted to test something that was a little bit more artsy and a little bit more sort of design kind of cutesy and clever for a new project that we're actually launching in the next couple weeks in August. It's called Trippy Therapy. We already have a Substack for it. This is actually, you can see the design I created using Framer for our Gumroad store, here, right? So I took a select group of products, but what I really want to do, and I'm going to show you here, is I want to take, excuse me, a little bit more of a kind of, like a different sort of, kind of thematic approach to this, more aesthetically oriented, a little bit more conversion centric, which I'm going to show you in a second. So this is another template that I bought recently that I've just started kind of playing with today. Again, I'm not a Framer expert, but I'm just making edits to this template to serve this new trippy therapy community. So I'm going to make some changes to it that you're going to see in real time. And when it's done in a few hours, I will have a live site to show off this new community that will have a high conversion sort of design heuristic. You can see here what I really like about this, and this content here is largely the demo content, but I mean, these images here are mine, but the content itself is the demo content largely. But you can see each one of these products has this really cool page load, which kind of brings it immediately into view. It looks specifically or especially good on mobile, which is where most of your traffic is going to come from. So you can see just clicking on the product brings it right into this, very sort of conversion centric style, kind of buy now sort of effect, right? So you can see that here again. And it's got just some really nice sort of features like a catalog. Anyway, we're going to show a lot more of this in the following series of tutorials. I'm not a Framer expert. I am certainly not a designer. So everything that I'm doing here is going to be much easier for folks who are much more skilled with Framer than I. The only thing I've really done here so far is change like the welcome, kind of like page transition from whatever it said originally to hi there, and then at the top it says hello Dexter Morgan, right? So all of these, which is obviously going to be changed, but all of these collections and all this stuff are, I think, really cool. And I changed the footer to match our branding, which is Trippy Therapy. You have a newsletter. You just have some really cool little features that I think are going to make this particular design. Let's see if I can. It has a cool blog. Some of these are my little edits thus far, but pretty much this is a project that I'm just starting and really ought to be a good pointer for those of you who are looking to create your first e-commerce store, digital storefront, using Framer to sell products on Gumroad, PayHip, Lemon Squeezy, Polar, really your own services via Stripe or PayPal link, etc. Okay, so we're going to deep dive into this over the next couple hours. I'm going to share a lot of this on YouTube, and I'll probably post other videos like